Welcome to Nepali Christian Ministries. This is the orphanage that we are staying at this month, or had stayed for this month. We are about to leave. Kind of forgot to do my video beforehand. Yeah, so this is where some of the kids sleep in this hallway. And as we go up the stairs, I will show y'all where we are staying. Now on the second floor, where some of the other children are staying. Say hi! This is for America. Yes. So this is where some of the girls sleep. Right here. There's no electricity on. Bye. Say hi to my mom. Hi. And this is where some other people sleep. Bunk beds. This is where we were sleeping this month. Hi. It's a video from America. And this is where some other girls were staying. Natalie. Hi. All right, up to the third floor. Here is the first bathroom. You got the little shower knob and the squatty potties. Gotta love the squatty potties. And then you walk up to this floor. This is the kitchen. And this is where we would eat dinner and lunch. They would bring us breakfast in bed every day. It was great. And up this floor is the second bathroom, which actually has the shower head. So I've taken one actual shower. I've not actually had any hot shower at all this entire month. So I've gone 20 some days without showers. This is the boys' room. Say hi, boys.
Hello.
Hey. This is the roof where you will be able to see the city and the mountains. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous view. And then over there, when it's not cloudy, you can see the mountains way far away. And then you got a spiral staircase that we will go up.